It is another beautiful Friday morning on the streets of Lagos. Of course, you know, it's your beautiful program, Bystanders. And on today's newspaper, we have The Nation newspaper. And on the headline, it says, "How we plan to win 2019 election" by Buhari Atiku. Again, we have the Vanguard newspaper. And what's the Vanguard saying here? "We can't pay minimum wage," says governors. We can't pay minimum wage, says governors. I'm not going to be treating these issues alone. Let's meet the street analysts. I'm Michael Adekunle. I'll be right back.
Audio Jungle.
By the governors. We cannot pay minimum wage, but you can build a statue of $1 billion. You can build Mandela's. You can build Jacob Zuma, millions of dollars in the state, but you cannot pay just how much? 24,000 naira. It's wrong. Let me ask you, what of security vote? You know how much? Are you buying of rice? And the children will not eat before they go to school. They will not drink tea. What is 25,000 the governor cannot pay? That's why I said they are thieves. Yes, even the labor, they only fight for themselves. They didn't fight to common man who are roaming about, who are losing job. Do you know how many millions have lost job? If count how many millions who lose job out of the state, not even federal government. Now you cannot pay just 25,000 naira or 24.
But if you are claiming that labor are fighting for their own selfish interest, now look at it here. It says labor plans to resume strike November 6. Don't you think they are fighting for the masses?
Look, if okay, let me ask you, if they resume strike, I am not working with government. My children are not another government. And that's definitely true. When they resume strike, they are going to pay them. Then if I stay for my house, who will feed me? Who will pay the bill? You know, the year is almost run around now. How do I pay landlord? Do you know how many people have gone out, landlord have dropped out of the country? Let me tell you something. The solution, I can see, since I was born, I enjoy life. I do work with government. But since this government came in, they cannot pay minimum wage, strike. Let all of them pack out. Let them go. Let another government come in that can even pay 60,000 naira. They will pay. So all these are just political jamboree. They are just faking themselves. What is 24,000 naira? Let them strike. Let them go on strike. They know what they are doing. By the time they go on strike, you see them again, coming back again. See them in that sort of drinking tea. But today, if people shock that article in mind, yes, they see the way they do election. They use police, which the whole world know, and ring that election. The tribunal now cannot even see. They have disbanded tribunal now. Who will detect the ringing? But let me tell you something. They will definitely ring the election. They will ring from the north, but it's not going to be easy in here and south. They will ring in the north, but let me tell you, Atiku is Fulani. Buhari is Fulani. They are all the same their side. Let them go on campaign. Let them tell Nigerians, yes, you have used 4 years. What have you done? Is it buying a rice of 30,000 naira? Or buying fuel of how much? Or dollars? Who is laying hand for dollars? Things are wrong. So I believe they will ring, but let me tell you, it's not going to be easy. Atiku too, he has the men in the north. Buhari has the men in the north. But let me tell you, everybody is going to southeast. They are going to southeast. Because he knew he's not going to get 70% in the north. Atiku will follow and share the vote. But what I'm saying, I pray for my brother in southwest. They should open their eye. The first year they give all their vote to my brother in the north. Today, all of us are buying fuel at the rate how much? We are buying rice at the rate how much? Nepals have even increased what you don't use. So everybody is suffering it. So it's going to be do or die. The election is going to be tough. Understand me? So they'll be looking for either Southwest or nothing but Buhari. Let him go arrest.
We can't pay minimum wage. Governors are saying this. What is your own perception about this statement?
And the governors are not just making mistakes, they are lying.
They are lying.
They are lying. The new minimum wage cap at 24,000 naira and 20,000 naira for states, as the case may be, I don't know. They can pay. Those money they waste. Those money they waste on excesses. Those that extra code and the rest, they should sum it up to pay the minimum wage. The addition of the new minimum wage to the normal wage they pay will not be in excess of 2 billion naira every month. And the money they spend a month, the unnecessary bulletproof cars, the unnecessary tricycles, the unnecessary convoys, the unnecessary traveling allowances and securities and otherwise. When each governor is traveling, 10, 20 people are traveling with him. To do what? The unnecessary government houses everywhere, government quarters everywhere. They should sell out those things, use the money to pay minimum wage. Every state in Nigeria, including the poorest, can pay the minimum wage. How much is 24,000 converted to dollar?
Now, looking at what Labour is saying, Labour says they will be resuming strike November 6. Do you think coming up with this action would solve this issue?
The issue is this. I don't support strike because I'm in the private sector. But at the same time, you don't strangulate a man that is working. You cannot live in opulence while you keep the Nigerian workers in perpetual poverty. You cannot do that. I'm insisting that they can pay. If they want to go on strike, let them go until their demands are met. Until their demands are met, they can pay. They can pay the new minimum wage. They should be creative enough to look at ways to get this money to pay, and the money is there. Those things that they don't need, they should give out those things so that they can pay the minimum wage.
Thank you.
They don't need any federal allocation, any new allocation to pay minimum wage. What is accrued to the state can pay minimum wage. State governors, states should be creative enough for governance. They can pay the minimum wage.
Thank you very much.
Planning to win 2019 election. Everything you do in life without plan is nonsense. You must lay plan. Like you want to build a house. You start by clearing bush, do this. That is planned. The foundation begin. You cannot just get, you have money. You start building inside bush. You must plan. Before you even make a mention of building a house, you have already planned down, get money down before you buy land. So everything by two of them is planned. The way and manner they plan to win 2009 election is none of my business and do. Only God knows. Any other question?
Now, on this new minimum wage, Labour has threatened to resume strike come November 6. What do you think about this? Do you think it's going to solve this problem?
I will solve the problem somehow, because Labour, just like example, you are in a school, your papa say if you carry first, I will buy you a car. When you carry first, and now do, my son, he begins to say, I keep that money for you, so when you go, you take and build her, will you be happy? So he brought, the federal government bring this, because he knows the election is far approaching. He said he will pay so much. And the government's counters, he said no. He should talk to the governors and implement the plan. This is part of the plan. Federal government come up with an option to pay so much, a particular amount to workers. Then governors sit down. He's a #1 citizen that said nobody should cross here, nobody should cross. Then if a governor in each various states of Nigeria who is working under him, responsible to him, counter him, is never done anywhere in the advanced country.
Thank you very much, sir.
So forget about the government. These government are full of deceit. They are deceiving Nigerians. Let them go. We don't want them.
They are deceiving us.
They are deceiving Nigerians. You don't know. This government is full, and they come through lie. They come through deceiving. Politically, that they want to change. The whole Nigerian believe that since these people we are losing grip from them, that this is what we are expecting, and now we are not. They say change. We say let us see that change. Now what are we seeing? They're full of deceit. Are they telling us lie? Where is Lai Mohammed to tell Nigerians lies?
Another party is emerging to make sure that Nigeria is okay.
Who is the party? What is the party?
PDP.
PDP have been ruling this country, And we even if they say that PDP is corrupt, but Nigerians are happy. Nigerians, the citizens are okay. You want to pay your children's school fees, you pay it with ease. You want to pay your house rent. Go to each building. See how landlords are shouting, dragging tenants to court because of this APC government. And PDP have been ruling for 16 years. No landlord have taken a tenant to court. Then what are you trying to tell us?
Just to sum it up, this regime is nothing to write home about.
It's nothing to write home about. They are full of deceit. They are deceiving Nigerians.
So they should get out.
They should go. They should go.
Thank you, sir.
For a better party to emerge.
Here with me is Disu Kotun. We can't pay new minimum wage. Governors are saying this. What is your own take on this issue?
Thank you very much for bringing me to this morning conversation. I don't have much to say, but what I just want the Nigerians to know is these people. I wanted to ask if these governors that are saying this, where were they past this? Where were they past years? Where have they been born? Have they been delivered by their parents? They are yet to be born, and they live those days. Now Nigerians, we have elders people around. Like look at me, I'm not depending on that, but I know people that are depending on this issue. Like those people see, well, I'm a retiree. I'm a military retiree. You understand me? Now, I don't know why they will say this. One, do you want to talk that there is not sufficient money for the payment of the minimum wages? That's number one question. Two, how many of them have worked to that extent to obtain the... How much are they taking, for instance? How much is their salary? What qualification do they have? Please, I want people who can attend to that question to attend to it. What is their qualification that warrant them to be a governor, to be in that position today? I can say one or two persons. Most of them have school cert. IS is school cert. They don't have more than school cert. Or let's say HND, they have it. But they are not knowledgeable enough to be a politician. I know they've come into that politics to steal money. Politics, the meaning of politics is that you know politics is to steal money. There's no other definition for it. Politics is to steal money. No other definition for politics as far as this country is concerned.
Now, Labour have threatened to resume strike come November 6. Do you think this is going to put a stop to what these governors are saying?
Sorry, I don't support that. Why should Labour himself? Why should they come back? When have these people been giving us increment? Nigerian increment. When have they been increased? Did they ever increase our minimum wages in this country? For the past 16 years, if I'm not mistaken, it is very bad of this country. The leaders we are having are not good leaders. They are not encouraging us. They are not keeping this country as it's supposed to be. You can go to Ghana. Ghana now are enjoying more than us. One, security-wise, they are enjoying more than us. I don't know what Nigeria is doing. Nigeria is just like a quarter, let's say, a quarter to Nigeria population. Ghana. And they can still maintain themselves. They have reasonable people, they are learned, they know what they are saying.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes.
God bless you, sir.
This is the one major problem that people are complaining about. When you look at the exchange rate, we're talking about minimum wage. The minimum wage is 18,000. professors are collecting 500,000. Some big teachers are collecting 130,000. Then the question you ask yourself is, what are other people doing? But you cannot change that because of different dynamics. You have to buy food, you have to buy clothes, you have to buy all the basic things, and you have to take care of children. At the end of the day, the money is not staying, it is very, very small. So what is important is the value you attach to money. You have pound sterling, you have 500, if you have 50 pounds, it appears as if you are the richest person in the world and you are managing it and you don't have any problems. So the concept of the minimum wage is something that we have to look at. Probably we are, in those days, we were earning 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira. We can take care of family, do every manner of thing and so on and so forth. But the cost of production is increasing, so to speak, and they need to look at that tide, but it has to be reasonably balanced so that we don't have all these problems. Then if you look at this labor plans to resume November 6th, that is one of the major problems that we are having with administrators. Administrators are becoming too oppressive to understand, to feel the demands of the common poor. And when you get to that level, you always have problems. So I think we're just trying to use minimum wage as an art of trying to tell people precisely how we feel.
Audio Jungle.
And we have come to the end of this program today. Until we see you next time, I'm Michael Adekunle. See you next time.